Knowledge 13. I read a news article a while ago, which I wanted to briefly discuss. It reported on how the exchanging of information and knowledge has increased over the years, especially over social media. Even though the number of preachers has increased over time and accessing information has become easier, yet the strength of Muslims has only weakened. One of the reasons is that many Muslims have adopted a mentality which has hindered them from learning and acting on Islamic knowledge. They believe merely listening to Islamic knowledge is good enough to succeed. This is a trap of the devil and completely contradicts the attitude of the companions, may Allah be pleased with them, and the righteous predecessors. They not only listened to religious knowledge, but they fully intended and fulfilled this intention by acting on the knowledge they heard. Failing to act in this way has caused the faith of Muslims to weaken. It is the reason why some Muslims have spent decades attending religious gatherings and talks, yet have not changed for the better at all. The danger of this attitude is that eventually, people will fall lower by believing that they can simply declare Islam with their tongues without the need to listen or act on religious teachings. Muslims will be left with ignorance as their guide, which will only lead them to destruction. To conclude, the purpose of Islamic knowledge is not to entertain people. Its purpose is to practically guide people through all the situations they face in this world, so that they obtain peace of mind in this world and paradise in the next. The one who fails to implement the knowledge they listen to will not obtain this right guidance. Their example is like the one who has directions to a safe place, yet fails to practically follow these directions to safety. Or like the sick patient who is prescribed the cure yet fails to take the medicine. This attitude must be avoided. Chapter 17 Al-Isra, verse 82.
And we send down of the Quran that which is healing and mercy for the believers, but it does not increase the wrongdoers except in loss.